I certainly experienced it when I started. You say yes to everything, like you said,
Course.
yeah, let's go. Was it really then, once you'd stagnated and you kind of, got the team together and thought, look, where is it where we're making, good money? Where is it where we can specialize? Where is it where we can niche down? And did that then enable you to go on to the next stage in terms of winning this big contract?
I think, there's that old saying that sometimes you have to take a couple of steps back to take steps forward. I say around 2019, 20. I looked back at the business. We had loads of staff. But when you actually take a step back and look at, are your contracts actually profitable? Is that costing you any money because the contract has overrun and you gave them a fixed price? We took a bit of a backwards. My business partners, they tend to be more operationally focused, and I'm more commercially minded. Took a step back. Look, we're getting bigger, and it's just real processes in place. Most don't have any systems or anything like that, and we were guilty of that. A bit of a backward step and say, actually, this has got legs now. We realise that, and we've got some good customer base. We've got studies and all that good stuff. Now's the time just to take a little bit of a step back, look at it from side view, start getting some systems in place, actually start saying no. That's quite a big one, because easy to just say yes to everything because you want the revenue.
Yeah.
When you actually look down at it, if you're not getting money on it and you're getting loads of stress, you've got cleaning staff not turning up or projects overrun, whatever it may be, having revenue for sake just doesn't work. And I think we took that step back. Right, let's systemize. Everybody knows what they're doing in terms of job roles, and there's not that crossover.
Yeah.
And get a bit of all that. Was the first 4 years just chaos, if I'm honest.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong, it got us a result, but that's not sustainable for you as a business owner. It's not sustainable for your staff. Then that starts to have a negative effect on customers. So sometimes it's worth just taking a little bit backward step, reassessing the situation. When we onboard a client, they come in through a sales funnel. They've got that sales process. The process is all. It just makes everybody's life a lot easier, and then that helps you grow, because the process is going to be the same for every customer, and you're going to get the end result.